Focus, our analyst Steve Budin joins us now to talk about three topics. One, talking about the stocks. I was noticing last week, every time at midday, the stock market was up 100 points. It was doing well.
I know we should be doing this more often. Every time we come up, there seems to be a new stock record. Definitely don't get spoiled by this, but we'll take it while we can get it. Stocks keep hitting new record highs. Now, despite all of the chaos in Washington right now, you're seeing the stock market continue to climb, which is, pretty good news. All of our viewers indirectly or directly have exposure to the stock market. So as the stock market goes up, it's good for everybody.
Right. Okay. So let's talk about the Fed chair and then the new Treasury Secretary. Two hot topics. Obviously, a lot of people talking about this.
Now, this could impact the market negatively, depending on how things play out. But Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen gives congressional testimony this week, how she reacts to the new president. She's going to be asked a lot of questions about monetary policy going forward, given the new administration. It's no secret that she and the president don't necessarily get along. They have a lot of differences in philosophy, so how they deal with this will be interesting. And then the Senate is stalling on this, but hopefully by tonight we'll have a new Treasury Secretary, Steve Mnuchin, controversial nominee, but the Senate should vote him in sometime tonight, so now we'll have a financial team in order to begin to move things forward.
Yeah, a lot of these, obviously we've been watching a lot of this, and a lot of people, obviously with anything, some people happy with the choice, some people not so happy. So I can only imagine that this one obviously causing, again, a little bit of controversy, but we will see some decisions.
He should get through, though.
See some action. Okay, so Verizon's unlimited data plan. We talked about this morning. This is a big deal. I have AT&T, but you were saying you have Verizon,
I have Verizon, and I literally just changed my plan before I went on the air. It's easy to do online. The reason I bring this one up is competition's a good thing. Verizon for years rejected this unlimited data plan, but now that you have T-Mobile and Sprint doing this, Verizon's jumping on. The more competition, the better for consumers. And I will say, though, I was reading the fine print of the deals. Make sure you read the fine print before you sign up for any of these things.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Good stuff. Thanks, Steve. Stay with us. We're back after this.